Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LENDR token. Now this token is just about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. Unfortunately this is a whitelist only pre-sale. So if you're not on the whitelist or you can't get on it very quickly, you might miss this pre-sale. But we are going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the LENDR network has a new token. Name of the token, LENDRR, and ticker symbol is LNDRR without the E. So they're having a whitelist only pre-sale on pinksale.finance. Right now this token is trending number 9. Pre-sale is going to start exactly at August 7th, 15 hours UTC time, and go for 1 day until August 8th, 15 hours UTC time. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. They have a whitelist registration link at the top of their PinkSale page, so if you're a subscriber and you see this video in time, you can click on that and try to get on the whitelist. Now, if you are not a subscriber, obviously hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens. Now, soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 5 BNB and hard cap 20 BNB. So it's probably going to sell out really quickly. Sometimes, tokens with low hard caps like that, they have multiple pre-sales, so that's possible. Initial market cap estimate for this project is $18,818. Minimum buy for this is going to be 0.1 BNB and max buy is 0.4 BNB. Now there's lots of good features here. They do have a full audit. So they were audited by CertiK, and CertiK is the leading crypto auditor. So that's great that they have that. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. And they also have the Docs badge on here, and you can click on that, and that will take you over to a YouTube video where their team is doxed in a YouTube video. So they have a Telegram on here, their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the page there, at LENDR Network on Twitter, and their webpage, LENDR.network. So the LENDR network is the 2023 first place winner of multiple hackathons on Binance, Chainlink, 1inch, and Trueflation. 0% interest loans on real-world asset stablecoins, RWAs, representing the U.S. real estate market. LENDR receives rewards from LENDR, which is, I'm assuming, their company here. It says, coming soon, inflation-proof USD, global gold stables, registered company, audited by CertiK, Trail of Bits, and Immunify, DApp live at launch, inspired by liquidity, 750 million plus total value locked, 0% fees, central exchange listings, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap planned, top 200 goal, it says. So they got lots of high hopes here, lots of things going on. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 100 million tokens. And if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the LENDR token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, lender.network. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 180 days. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 18.46% of the tokens go to pre-sale. We have 8.945% of the tokens going to liquidity. And 44.53% of the tokens are unlocked, so that's a little bit sketchy there. And the rest of the tokens go to ALTCOIN holders, and that is an airdrop. So you can learn about that airdrop on their webpage, I'm sure, here. So if you go over to their webpage, you can find a link to their DApp, Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube channel, join the presale, borrow, earn rewards, presale whitelist, all sorts of information on their webpage here. LENDR.network, and of course LENDR is always spelled differently, missing an E and sometimes two R's here. This is LENDRR.network. So it's got partners and recognitions on their webpage as well. Now, Medium articles obviously is going to have a lot of different information and updates, so you can follow that. So it says, DApp ready at launch. The LENDR platform will be available immediately at launch. No token fees, so no buy or sell fees, so you probably will not have to alter slippage if you are going to buy or sell this from PancakeSwap. Token ownership is renounced, it says. 110% plus collateralized, backed by verifiable on-chain collateral. True decentralization, governance-free smart contracts with renounced ownership. So networks and technologies are all on here, like their oracles, Chainlink, Teller, BSC, networks, Ethereum, BSC, and more coming soon. Exchanges and partners, PancakeSwap, Bitmart, Uniswap. So it looks like it's going to be a cross-chain token on PancakeSwap and Uniswap. And yeah, so there's looks like YouTube videos you could watch, the FAQ series. So there's all sorts of frequently asked questions. You can actually, like, a lot of these utilities are available now, like their DApp and borrowing and things like that. They've been seen in the media, it says Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, Benzinga, etc. The very bottom of their page, there's careers, contact us, press kit, bug bounty, audits and security, documentation, blogs, so much information. But go check all this out, LENDR.network, and you can find this token on PancakeSwap, or sorry, on Pink Sale, just about to start their pre-sale, and then shortly after that, we'll go over to PancakeSwap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.